What's up, besties? I'm back with another tutorial. I know it's been a little minute, a little month, but I'm back. Shout out to Alipearl for sending me this bust down HD wig. This wig was 24 inches, 200 density. The wig was full as full can be. Like, I was curling this wig forever. It was like hair everywhere. It's a very thick wig. Shout out to the wig. The wig came pre-plucked. I did not pluck the wig at all. I was so gagged at how plucked the wig was, so I did not pluck it. I did bleach the knots a little bit more, but I did not pluck the wig at all, period. Shout out to my boho lace jelly for slicking all my edges back for my girls. I love the boho lace jelly because you can use it to help melt your lace. You can use it as a gel for your real edges, your baby hairs on your wig. I love the liquid gold because it's strong as glue, but it's glueless, so I always do my caps with that. They gave me this HD cap, so I'm trying to get into it. I usually don't like the HD caps, but it kind of ate today, no shade. And I'm doing my makeup. You gotta blend the cap. Shout out to True Match. Today I used the dark shade. Usually I be scared of the dark shade because I feel like sometimes it could be too dark, but I faintly used it and it came out so perfect. Like, where is the lace? Where is the lace? Yes, the lace is HD, but the True Match dark shade was able to get that white halo. There's a white undertone on every lace. So, well, there'll be a bunch of undertones, but most laces come with a white undertone. So the True Match just helps it to just be seamless. Shout out to the dark shade. I think I'm going to use it much more. I thought I only liked it the bronze, but no, the dark is hot for my dark skin girls, and it's no shade. Now I'm going in with some Bold Hold Original. I did about 3 layers and I put some tape on the sides because, you know, Mariah, she likes to make her wigs last a little bit. And I be out of town, so I can't be doing these wigs back to back no more. But I did like 3 layers real thin. I didn't do the most. And I melted this wig. As you can see, the lace is very much melted. I'm going in with a fresh eyebrow razor. The best razors to cut your lace with is a fresh one because they get dull so fast. So when it's fresh, just do your big one because it's going to be a good cut. This lace was so easy to cut. It was very thin. This is not a thick lace. So I think that also is what helps with the melt. This is the perfect type of wig to do like a no baby hair type look, but today was definitely a baby hair type of day. I did some sideburns. I did a couple corners. Nothing heavy though. I've been trying to keep it light. Now I'm going in with that same bow hold lace jelly that I used in the very beginning to gel her edges back. And I'm using it to melt the lace. I tap it into the edges of the lace in replacement of hairspray because I feel like hairspray just makes it too build-up-y. Like, it makes it too crunchy, it'd be too much with the hairspray. So I'm combing my hairs back with the gel. I'm tapping the gel into the lace. And that's my melt process. Period. Take notes, girls, and start asking me for a class because I just gave y'all the class. Now I'm going in with hairspray. I use 2 different hairsprays for wand curls because you want your wand curls to last. You want them to make a statement and you want them to mean something. So you have to double hairspray the hair. Period. You can never have too much hairspray when you're doing curls. Hot comb, I did a deep side part. It really was like a no part, but I wanted to like flip all the hair to the side. So I had to get it flat piece by piece with the hot comb. And then I'm just wrapping the hair around on the wand curl. I'm not doing big pieces of hair, big chunks. I'm grabbing little pieces and I'm making a statement. You cannot be lazy when you're doing this or it's not going to come out cute, period. Once you're done, spray it some more, period. Like, so I sprayed 3 separate times in total. Maybe 4. Not sure. Get into this melt. I cannot make this up. I didn't even do the baby hairs yet. And it's just melted. Like, she could really walk out like this. And I wouldn't be mad at it. But I will do the baby hairs. I'm going to hot comb. You want to really like, because when you tie your hair down, there's like a dent once you take the band off. You want to really take your time to get rid of that dent. That dent is not cute. It makes it look like you just got your hair done by the wrong person. I did rub some BioSilk on my hands and ran it through the curls before I brushed them out because I need drama. You can't leave the curls like this. That's childish. It's gonna look like you're going to prom. You can't be scared to comb them out. But before that, I went in with some my boho lace jelly once again, and I mixed it with some foam, and I did some baby hairs, and they were really cute, really soft. I didn't want them too big. I didn't want them too small. So I feel like I found a good medium with the baby hairs. Shout out to the baby hairs. And this install is pretty much done. Shout out to Alipearl for sending me the best wig ever. This is my favorite wig. Look at the scalp. There's nothing to hide. I don't have no filter. I don't have no nothing on it. Just a good little camera and some ring lights, child. This wig was pre-plucked. I did not pluck the wig, and I'm obsessed with the hairline. I am. Shout out to True Match for giving me the perfect shade. Dark really ate. The shade dark ate on this install. All the info for this wig will be in the description. Shout out to my SBM gang. Keep subscribing. We is almost there. Like, we're not quite at 10K subscribers, but y'all know that is a goal for me. So maybe once I get some more subscribers, I'm gonna post more. No, that's not. Okay, I'm gonna post more so I can get, we'll work on it. But period, bye SBM gang.